I'm Goose, and this is A Day in the Field. Society has painted nature in a way that it is only to be viewed from afar.
That was a blonde deer.
But we weren't meant to be spectators. We were meant to be active participants.
If I'm shaking this much from him, I don't know that I can ever see a big one.
So let me do my best to inform and encourage you to get back to being an active participant in nature as we spend a day in the field.
And they're excited to be here, and they're going to give us a like.